Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ledger from cashbook. Start by organizing your cashbook entries by date and type, and confirm opening balances for each column. Next, total receipts and payments and prepare clear column headings for ledger posting. Keep entries consistent, note references for cross-checking, and use clear narration so anyone following can reproduce the ledger accurately and avoid common posting errors. To post correctly, transfer each cashbook line to the matching ledger account using the exact date and narrative. Enter debit and credit sides accurately, and include reference numbers to cross-check each item easily. Carry forward running balances after each posting, and reconcile totals periodically to catch mistakes early. This method keeps your ledger tidy and ensures trial balances will match when you prepare financial statements. Balancing is critical, so reconcile ledger balances with bank statements and petty cash, often to spot mismatches early. Prepare a trial balance after posting to confirm total debits equal total credits and to identify posting errors. When you find discrepancies, trace them back using your references and correct the original entries rather than adjusting randomly. Regular reconciliation keeps accounts reliable and makes month-end and audit tasks far simpler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.